With the advantage of agent reporting and control, Akixi 2000 is the powerful and complete call reporting tool for your business. Akixi 2000 brings you all the reports and functionality of Akixi 1000 and Akixi Lite, plus the addition of agent reporting, group reporting, and account codes. You can display agent activity on a wallboard report, ideal for a visual overview of the performance of your agents in real time. The agent list is very similar to the extension list, but we are now focusing on the activity of the actual agent rather than the extension. This enables you to get a real-time view of the status of your team members. Using this, you can find out which of your employees are taking the most calls, who is talking the most on the phone, who is spending the most time in meetings and not available to handle customer calls, who has been on duty for the longest, and which of your employees are performing above or below your required standards. The agent report also provides the ability to view the life status of your agents, so you can see which of your team are out for lunch, in a meeting, or wrapping up the previous phone call. This makes it the ideal tool whether you and your team are working remotely or in the office. On this report, agents will automatically change colour based on their status. So for example here, Simon is currently receiving a call on his phone, Faye and Jack are both available, and Christine is currently not signed in. You can change the status of your employees by clicking on their name. This will help your team work collaboratively by easily seeing who's available to pick up incoming customer calls or free to answer questions. You can sign your employees in and out of different call groups in the business. Ideal for those busy periods where you need to respond quickly to a flurry of calls that are coming into another call group in the business. Tagging a call with customizable code enables you to categorize the types of calls you're getting, get an overview of the type of calls your employees are handling based on the outcome of the call. For example, was it a technical question, a sales inquiry, or was it an order placed? You can start to spot patterns and trends such as which days and times you receive the most sales orders, or see if customers with product inquiries are most likely to call early in the morning, for example. Easily see at a glance how your groups are performing and measuring up against each other. You can see which groups and queues are receiving the most and least amount of calls into your business. By looking at how many calls are being missed into your groups, this will help you understand which of your groups are being overloaded and unable to handle the quantity of calls. With this information, you can optimize your workforce and reallocate team resource to ensure your customer inquiries are being answered. When the group report is viewed in real time, groups will highlight based on the current status of the group. Green means an active call is taking place within the group. Pale yellow, the group has calls queuing that are yet to be answered by members of the group. And then none, there are no calls taking place or queuing within the group. Keep up to date with all the latest Akixi news and information at Akixi.com and across the social media channels, and the links will be in the description for those. Thank you.